Oppo today officially launched the Reno 14 and Reno 14 Pro smartphones in China. Oppo is offering the phone in 3 finishes: Mermaid, Half Summer Green, and Reef Black. The phone weighs 187 g and is 7.32 mm thick. The standard Reno 14 features a 6.59-inch flat LTPS OLED screen with 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 1200 nits peak brightness. Inside is a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor with a reported benchmark score of over 1.4 million. The chip is paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The Reno 14 houses a triple camera system, a 50MP Sony main sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultrawide, and a 50MP JN5 periscope telephoto lens offering 3.5x zoom. There's also a 50MP front-facing camera. The phone is fueled by a 6000 mAh cell that supports 80W wired charging. Oppo Reno 14 5G price in China starts at 2,799 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.